Hey guys, this is Fundo on Palama. Tonight on Uzalo, the Kaba family learn of a devastating news. They got unexpected news and got bailed about the house they live in. They got that Nunga is arrested for selling drugs, while the harbor is in jeopardy of shutdown. Mbata must adjust to accommodate Tatswana, while Sbu is happy to see that Nkonzi is really dead and he wants to own everything that Nkonzi was owning. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.
Disponela, ingelosi, iyangibhisa, yena uyangithanda, kuvuka imizwa, ingiyale